Understanding, it's your duty. A guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, it's your duty. This common English expression is used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both your personal and professional communication. So, let's dive in and uncover the nuances of this phrase. Duty refers to a responsibility or obligation that a person is expected to fulfill. It's often something that's morally or legally required. When someone says, it's your duty, they imply that there's something important you are expected to do, based on your role, position, or moral principles. To understand how "it's your duty" is used, let's look at some examples. 1. At work, your boss might say, it's your duty to complete this report by Friday, highlighting a professional obligation. 2. In family, a parent might tell their child, it's your duty to help your siblings, emphasizing moral or familial responsibilities. 3. In society, a public announcement might state, it's your duty to vote, underlining a civic responsibility. Several phrases convey similar meanings. Understanding these can enrich your communication. It's your responsibility. You are obliged to. It falls under your purview. You are accountable for. Sometimes, it's your duty can be misused to exert undue pressure or manipulate someone. It's important to differentiate between genuine obligations and unfair demands. Always consider the context and the relationship between the people involved. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, it's your duty, and its various applications in daily life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, responsibilities, and emotions. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.